once again, I just met these incredible, lovely children. They actually subscribe to my channel on the spot. They're just so adorable. No matter where I'm at, I can be in Boracay, Buscalan, Manila. The kindness and the beauty and the friendliness of the Filipino people is just so overwhelming. I cannot describe. So now we are just walking through. We're trying to find food.
They got mac and chicken over there.
Okay, we're kind of walking around, and I want to kind of try to find out where the restaurants are. So I'm going to ask the gentleman. Oh, we're trying to find the restaurants to eat around here. Is there like a restaurant row? Oh, there's more restaurants over there? Oh, really? Okay, actually, this gentleman over here, thank you, Papio. He said that there's more restaurants. Doon? Diyan po. They got a red ribbon in one of the most historical places. Seafood Island right over there. How you doing? We might be there for seafood. All right. We just had dinner at this seafood island, and let me tell you, it was definitely very, very good. What an amazing evening. The staff there was very nice. They were very sweet. They actually became subscribers. We added new subscribers, which was fantastic. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride the Kalesa. We're gonna do the cruise and so forth. And then hopefully they'll be able to drop us off at our car. But what better way to see Vigan City at night than on a Kalesa ride? God, the night is beautiful. It's magical. I feel like I'm back in time. Why don't you take a look for yourself? Okay. Yes, we are strolling through the Plaza Salcedo. It is so beautiful and magical at night. Everybody was just walking around and enjoying the evening, and it was so nice and warm. The plaza is actually named after the Spanish conquistador Juan de Salcedo, and it is a town center and known for being the execution site of a Filipina revolutionary, Gabriela Silang, in September of 1873. All right, you know what? We were getting ready to jump on one of these Kalesa rides. They were charging us about $200-300, but you know what? There was a local, other tourist that said, no. They only paid $150. So now we have a baseline to negotiate. Pesos. All of us will fit in, and I cannot believe I'm here. we got Irvin here, who's been helping us out. You know, this guy's legend. And right now, check this out. Vigan City is one of the few Spanish colonial towns left in the Philippines, whose old structures have mostly remained intact. It is well known for its cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, and rustic mansions, blended with modern-day shops and restaurants. It's like walking back in time to the Spanish-Philippine colonial era, which fuses native Philippines and Oriental building designs. In May 2015, Vigan was officially recognized as one of the new 7 Wonder Cities of the world. Simply magical. That is a beautiful horse. What's the name? Israel. Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning to me. The next day, and what an incredible evening in Vigan. Oh, it was so magical. Got a chance to ride the Kalesa, carriage ride. Had some good seafood. Actually, I had inasal, and it was just incredible. I'm just kind of taking it in right now. It's early morning, and I always like to kind of take a cruise around the neighborhood, city. So now, my goodness, the weather here it is extremely warm and hot. But what I like about it, it's not the humidity, it's dry heat. So now we are off to, I gotta get some Starbucks, and then empanadas and longanisa. My goodness. And while we are walking, I'd love for you guys to take a look at this street. Wow, great. Well, you know what? We just are leaving Royal Wildas Hand Loom Weaving, and they got some really cool stuff in there. We picked up a couple of more pasalubong souvenir. Ooh, butter toast. Puto seco. Okay, this looks pretty good. But to all my Latin friends, puto is not a bad word. In Tagalog, it's actually a dessert, and it's a delicious dessert. I think we might want to try this. Available here.
Kakanin po mang ganito.
Oh, kakanin is like that.
Yan ang tubig.
I think that looks like it's rice.
That's two things. Wako natin. Malaki.
Yes po, ma'am.
Try it.
It's chewy.
Kahit wala po siya,
It's
ma'am.
sweet.
Hindi po kasi
I can taste the coconut. It's pretty damn hella sarap. Action. All right. We just got done. Yes, we just got done having my venti coffee with 5 shots. I'm all bumped out.
Are you guys
Oh, I think this is it right over here. The empanada shop. Hi. The empanadas?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at the cute dog. Is this where you make it? Wow. Hello.
Sir.
That looks delicious. All right, I am watching them cook right here. I love watching them cook. That looks scrumptious. So that's the vegan meat. That is the cheese and egg. Oh, wow.
This one, sir, is papaya.
Oh, papaya. Okay. That looks yummy. Smells delicious. I'm really excited about here. I'm glad that this place is recommended. I'm a true believer of referrals, and what I learned about Ashton Napa is that the owners, the young ladies that were preparing the empanadas, they are 21st generation, and this location has been here since the 15th century. So there's a lot of history, and I'm really excited. That looks delicious. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I do want to ask a question. Excuse me. What do you recommend for the sauce? You use
Vinegar.
the vinegar.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, and what is your the dough? Crunchy, flavorful. I can taste the sweetness. It's like like a roller coaster ride. And my mind went out. I can taste the egg. I can taste the papaya. I can taste the mixture of ingredients. Salt, pepper, I believe. And it's vegan longanisa. Supposedly, the Vigan City is probably also well known for their longanisa. But this is a vegan longanisa. And it is just hella sarap. Hella sarap. Oh my gosh. Now, I really know what the hype is all about. Vigan City, primarily Ash Empanada, is one of the best I've had. And those that know me, especially in the United States, San Francisco area, I've pretty much tried them all. But this is the best. Okay, so I'm from San Francisco, California, and I love empanadas. I've tried empanadas everywhere, but I heard that Vigan City has the best empanadas. And I'm like, okay, what's all the hype about? I don't believe it, I have to be here for myself. I've seen it on YouTube, right? But there's that recommendation from the lady over there, and what I saw, legend, freshly cooked, and it was so flavorful, It was so good. I went for twice, two. And what we're gonna do is we are prepaying it because we want to get some for the road when we head back to BGC Manila. The Ashen Empanada. This is once again 21st generation. This is Sheila, and this is Jelani. Wow, what a pretty name. I like that, Jelani. Okay, Sheila and Jelani, legend with the empanadas. Now it's time to hit the road. We're gonna do some souvenir shopping, and we will be back tomorrow to pick up more empanadas so that our tummies can be full on the way back to BGC. I'll see you when I see you.